Hi everyone, welcome to Stunner Share. So in this video, what we are going to see is the Nifty post-market analysis. So there were some queries or questions stating that we want regular um, videos on the post-market analysis. So I thought like, okay, we'll do some post-market analysis as well as in the last post-market analysis on Nifty. I shared only the CPR and people were expecting Camarilla as well. But what I would say is like follow one proper strategy, like either price action or CPR or Camarilla. Do not combine all and do not get deviated. So for the people who prefers price action strategy, so here, let me share the video. Let me share the content on that first, and then with CPR, and then with Camarilla. So it's up to you guys to decide which one to follow. But I would say like follow one proper strategy at least for 6 months to 1 year. Check, do back testing as well, and then if you are very much comfortable, then start to trade on that. So that is what I would say to you guys. So now let's go with the price action strategy. So for the price action strategy, what you need to do is like you need to mark the previous day high and the previous day low. Okay, so if you also see on the overall market trend for the current week, what happened is like market is making higher high, higher low. Okay, so higher low and a higher high and a higher low, but this time it is not breaking the high, but it is trying to consolidate. But we were not aware of this move. Okay, so we were not aware of this move. So let me one sec. Let me remove that drawing. Okay, so till now what we for till this candle what we know is like we have made a higher low, and we are not sure whether it is going to break this low. We are not sure whether it is going to break this low. If this low is getting broken, then that means Nifty has stopped making higher low formation, so it might correct or it might fall. So that is what our understanding. If in case if it is going to break this zone, then an higher high, higher low formation still continues. Okay, so now let me again remove all the drawings, mark the previous day high and previous day low. Fine. So now apart from the previous day high and previous day low, what we could see is like we could see Nifty has taken some support around this zone, support as well as resistance around this zone. Okay, so if you see, if you extend it again, okay, so Nifty was facing this as a resistance zone, and Nifty took support once and twice, and then Nifty started breaking that support as well. So that means that zone is going to act as a good resistance zone again. So any rejection at this zone, then we need to go for a short. Okay, so what happened? Nifty opened at the same place, and what happened is like Nifty was trying to take support at the previous day low, and then it started giving a good move at this rejection zone. So all these things you need to mark, and you need to wait accordingly on how the Nifty is going to perform. So what we will do is like Nifty has given a good uh, uh, candle at the resist zone. So if suppose any movement above this candle, then ultimately our next line of resistance will be here, and then the next resistance will be previous day high. But after this giving good candle, Nifty started falling down. So again fallen down to the previous day low and started taking a support over there. So now Nifty for Monday. For Monday, I'm sharing it now itself, but ensure that you guys are concentrating or remembering this. So for now, this is going to act as a good, very good resistance zone. And for Nifty for Monday, it has to first cross this particular resistance zone for further upside move. And if in case if it is facing some resistance over here, then you can go for a short. Clear. Why am I saying Nifty can face some resistance over here? Because this is the zone where Nifty was lying down for a longer time. So that means this zone can act as a good support or resistance zone. So for now, Nifty as seen in this chart, it is slightly in a downtrend. So what can happen is like Nifty, if you see, it is forming like this. So again like this. So Nifty can go like this. Clear? So this is what Nifty as per price action. So Monday's levels also marked. Now let us focus on the pivots and let's see what pivots tell us. Okay, so Nifty has formed a higher value CPR, so the bias is bullish. But if you see, if the candle is opening and closing above the CPR, that means any pullback to the CPR is going to be a buying opportunity. But if the bias, if the candles are closing below the CPR, that means the trend has reversed or the bullishness is violated. The bias bullishness is negated. So any pullback to CPR is going to be a selling zone. So that is what has happened. So any pullback, selling zone. Clear? And that is where the zone yesterday even Nifty has faced some support or resistance, and that is what I showed in price action as well. So CPR very neat. It is a bullish bias, but bias got rejected. Now let us see with Camarilla, and let's see what Camarilla sees. So as per Camarilla, if you see, so it is a overlapping bullish bias only, but still, what we could what was said in the Secret of Pivot Post book is like, uh, if it is like the H3 is going to be the reversal zone and L3 is going to be the reversal zone, and entire day the market played between that itself. Clear? So as per Camarilla, there is no trade at all. You need to wait for a breakout above H4 to go for an up buy trade, or you need to wait for the close below L4 to go for a sell trade. Otherwise, it's completely a range bound scenario. What has happened? Clear? So above all these things, what I would say is like follow one strategy. As per me, price action itself gives a very neat, a clean idea of what has to happen. But you need to ensure that how you are going to trade. You need to do at least see if there is a market opening tomorrow, then at around this time, once after you finishing all your work like office work or anything, so what you can do is like just go to the chart, go to daily time frame. Okay, this is the daily time frame and just see what is happening to Nifty. So what is happening in Nifty, see, and if you see, this was some sort of resistance or support zone. So Nifty is trying to roam in this zone. So Nifty is roaming in this zone. So like couple of days or some 1 week to 2 weeks, it is still in a correction zone or a range bound zone here. Okay, so now we know that Nifty is some sort of correction or range bound zone. Okay, fine. So now let's go to the 15-minute chart and let's see what has happened in Nifty for the 1 week or 2 week time. So again, in 1 week or 2 week time, what we could see is like Nifty is in some sort of consolidation zone or correction zone. If you see, Nifty is up, down, up, down, up, down, and it has given a breakout, but again, it is coming inside the consolidation zone. Okay, so 15-minute chart says it is again in a consolidation zone. And now let's see the 1 week chart, like that is a 2 weeks to 3 weeks comparison chart, and now it is a 1 week 2 week chart. So now what it says is like Nifty was making a higher high higher low for a couple of days, and now Nifty is struggling to break this higher high and trying to form a lower low formation. Okay, so what's next? So you need to mark the next zones for intraday levels. So as I said, so this is the level was what Nifty was facing some resistance. So on Monday, if suppose the candles are taking a rejection over here, then we can short for the Nifty. We can short Nifty. If suppose there is a gap up and Nifty is trying to take support at the resistance zone, then it is going to be a buy side. Clear? So I hope I have made certain things clear in this video. If you feel the content is good, kindly give a like and also try to share your comments in the feedback in your comment section so that it will be helpful for me also to understand what your expectation is all about. I'll try to make some videos regularly, but actually the time, I'm not getting enough time. I'm also held up with the office work and all those things. So I'll hope I'll do some videos. So that's it from my side. Thanks a lot. Straight for more videos.